Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software update on your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open EARFUN application. Now click on your earbuds here and after that just scroll down. Right here we have a version. You need to tap on it and it checked for updates and said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, it asks you to install a new one. So right here you will have the information. What new, and near to it you will have a button download and install. So you just click on it and you install a new update. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!